burden of costs without insurance is unbearable to most families in these income groups.
A lot of people know someone who's enrolled in Medicaid, whether it's yourself, a friend, or family member. I'm Maya Constantino in West Valley City. Lawmakers are weighing billions of dollars in cuts to Medicaid, which could threaten health coverage for over 300,000 people in Utah. Juliana DeMay was on Medicaid for years after a traumatic brain injury back in 2019 that changed her life.
I'm stable now, but I have other co-occurring conditions, and I'm on maybe 13 or 14 prescription meds. Really, my life would be over.
Juliana is worried her medical costs could go up.
One of my medications cost me $680 out of pocket, and that's a medication I need once a month. And then my migraine medication that I take every other day is $500 a month.
This is Matt Slinocker, Executive Director of Utah Health Policy Project, who supported Utah's Medicaid expansion initiative when it passed 8 years ago.
The cuts are too large, too severe for any state. With a cut to a program that's that severe, is there any way to just redesign the program so it can still serve as many folks with the same benefits as it does currently? And the answer to that question is simply no.
Slinocker explored what the outcome could be if Utah sees these cuts move forward.
For example, in the emergency departments, that's oftentimes too late in the game and very costly setting. And in the end, if that person is uninsured due to losing Medicaid, who's going to bear the burden of that cost?
And what about families and their kids?
Another important thing to remember about Medicaid in the state of Utah is 50% of the program is coverage for children. So I have a hard time sort of understanding how, if these cuts come to pass, how we would protect access to coverage for children.
Juliana understands how access to health care can either make or break you.
I know firsthand the effect that access to health care and access to medication has on your quality of life, your ability to provide for yourself, to work, to provide for your family. I'm scared for myself, but I'm really more scared for everyone at large.